Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Hubspot certificate. So first in your search bar, head over to academy.hubspot.com, and to get started, you may want to start signing up for free courses. So click on this button if you don't have an existing account. You will then be redirected to the registration page. So now start creating your free Academy account. You can create by using your Google, Microsoft, or Apple account, or also use your email address. Now, once you're done creating an account and you're logged into your account, you can start browsing for courses you might be interested at. Look what fits on your interest and niche, then click on the course. Now from here to get started, continue with your logged in user. You will then be redirected to this page where you can start taking your course. You can see in this section all the topics that you will have to go through and of course an exam. Once you finish the course and pass the exam, you should get your HubSpot certification. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you again in the next one. Bye!